Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to show you how to check the version of the Citrix Director that you're using in your office environment or for troubleshooting or monitoring your Citrix environment. So what you can do is you can first log into Citrix Director. So I'll show that in a minute. So this is my URL. I'm just trying to log in and it takes you to this particular screen. So once you are on Citrix Director main page, you go to the top right hand side, you see administrator here. Just click on this, and once you click on it, you see about director. So all you need to do is click on about director and it would show the version information. It says I'm using Citrix Director 7.15.7000 build 8. So this is the version that I'm currently using. So if you want to check from your end, you can check it using this method. Okay, it's a short video. I hope you find this information helpful. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment. Thank you.